What's up, YouTube? First entry. Been looking at all those stash updates for years. Decided to set up my own thing. Share some of the goodies I got. Gonna be a big Memorial Day with the holiday coming and being cooped up here. So I'm a sucker for assortments. So I got a little stash pickup. American Wholesale. They did a nice job. Actually got this back in February, but the whole COVID thing delayed the pickup. So always wanted this assortment from Magnus. Look at that logo on the front. For the packaging alone is why I'm a sucker for these assortments. Nice 200-gram cakes, and festival balls, and artillery shells, and a couple other nice goodies. I was telling Sky Graffiti about this. Red Rhino, Texas Outlaws, the sister brand. Southern Pride, great assortment. One of the few that you actually get some firecrackers in. But nice variety. Typical fountain Saturn missiles. A couple small cakes. Great value. Again, the red, white, and blue is bad. Then we got the Window Primo. Again, a lot of goodies. Some rockets back there. Little single bangers. You know, I mean, the stuff they put in these assortments isn't the best stuff, but boy, the packaging and just the variety. It's nice to have the little stuff. So hit the comments, hit the likes, other stuff to come. Looking forward to it. Can't wait for the holiday weekend. Cincy Pyro out.